वन पर्सनल सजेशन टू टिंकल, जब आप नीचे आते हो ना, मे बी आपको सेंसेशन है या नहीं, आई डोंट नो, बट आपके एंकल, आपके घुटने इस तरह मुड़ जाते हैं कि यू माइट डेवलप अ फ्रैक्चर और अ स्ट्रेन समवेयर. So please don't do this like that all the time. The better way is आप नीचे साइड में भी आना है. What I do is how to come down is basically I just of the legs come like that, and I keep this hand down like that. Keep your legs at the side. They should never be in front of you. That would always be a problem. So it's like when you're like this, then it's the same bed transfer. Keep the floor hand there and just sit like that. This is already easy. कभी भी आपके एंकल या घुटने मुड़ने नहीं चाहिए, उनके ऊपर आपका बॉडी वेट नहीं आना चाहिए. बिकॉज हम नीचे पे बहुत सालों से, you might develop osteoporosis, you might one pop and crack and it's all gone. So be careful with doing this. Fine? Okay. Now give me some space. Again, when you come up, you should fold your knees, at least one of it, whichever is comfortable for you. Sit on the footrest. And what I do is, when after doing this, अगर आप बहुत ज्यादा घुटने मोड़ लोगे तो आप पीछे के अंदर फंस जाओगे, तब उठना मुश्किल होता है. तो इसलिए जब आप होते हैं तो you bend forward, lift and do it quickly. Don't do it slowly. If your cushions are stuck, like in my case, you lift and sit like this. It's a practice maneuver, काफी practice के बाद आता है. So always take somebody's help when you learn this. For the therapist also, you also keep a spotter all the time. Spotter is somebody who's always there at your back. Fine? Anything? Any question? Somebody else has got good power. I just wanted to raise the hand. Can you do a medium jump? Okay, hang on. You can do a medium. Where is my एक second? Do a medium. And you can hold it. You can move forward. You can move forward. क्या बात है?
Wow.
Okay, now I'm teaching her to how to get off this pavement. कभी jump किया है? कभी ऐसे wheelie में? See, wheelie में jump करने के लिए, when you are on this, you don't have to land on these wheels. Because अगर आप सिर्फ दो पहिए पे कूदोगे तो पीछे गिर जाओगे. Number one, don't have to land on two wheels. If you land on all fours, तो फिर jump से बाहर. Idea is that you land on your rear wheels, but as soon as you are on the floor, you get your casters down as well. Casters are these. Just like 1 and 2. Fine. It has to be the time thing and try to jump away from the floor. You don't want to end up here. I'm getting down. What to do? This is the beat. And right now, this is right now. Now I will just stop it. And as soon as I get down, 1 and 2. Just like that. Feeling करो. Wait. आ जाओ. Not holding. Okay. Floor to नीचे करना ना कलर. करेंगे?
ये वर्क नहीं करेंगे कैमरे के लिए, कैमरे में आवाज़ जाने के लिए. दिस इज नॉट वर्किंग. मतलब कैमरे में आवाज़ चाहिए.
ऐसे कैसे फाइन को नीचे दो. आप कर सकते हैं. आपको ना ऐसे साइड में इस तरफ आप पीछे आएंगे खुद ऐसे को रखो. जनरली दिस इज अ वुडन प्लैंक. हम लकड़ी के पत्ते पे करें. ऐसे में हमेशा कहता हूँ कि अगर आपको जमीन पे ट्रांसफर होना भी है तो एकदम सख्त जमीन पे ट्रांसफर नहीं होना चाहिए. यू नेवर नो कब आपको बेड सोर हो सकता है या यू माइट हर्ट योरसेल्फ। तो मैं जब भी करता हूँ ट्रांसफर, मैं हमेशा घास पे करता हूँ या सम गद्दा डालता हूँ। जब आप ये अपने पेशेंट को सिखा रहे हैं तो एक तो कोशिश कीजिएगा कि उनके घुटने से खुले ना, नी शुड बी ऑलवेज क्लोज। जितना नी पास में रहेगा उतना उनको अच्छा कैटापुल्टिंग इफेक्ट मिलेगा, लेकिन कम उनके घुटने ऐसे लेट इट That is the way you without knowledge, whatever you learn, that becomes your habit, which is always better than teaching you. I can't teach him because he has already learned the lesson. But जब भी as therapist आप सिखाएंगे, make sure the knees are always closer and the knee help in getting up. Even after 13 years, I always take the help of my knees to get up. Whether it's bed to floor or floor to wheelchair. Next thing.
So if I need to climb this, I need to get this up and done. I don't need that balance kind of thing.
But is this possible with the semi?
Yes, it is possible even in the passive chair. Even Sanika can do that. Sanika.
Yeah.
Fine. Yes, I'm bad with names. That is the idea. In the meantime, Dinkle, they'll take time to get the bricks. You do with the plastic chair. After this, I will be doing how to climb stairs. No, we will be doing it as long as the platform is being created. Till that time, Dinkle is trying this. थोड़ा आगे आ जाए, please. पीछे जगह कम है. Fine.
5 जन 10 जन सभी लोग ये ऑब्स्टिकल प्रैक्टिस करेंगे।
Effortless. You've got spasticity in your legs.
No, I'm not done the exercise today.
That's why. Otherwise, you're fine. Plastic chair. Anyone else? This is very important because कई बार क्या होता है कि मधु you want to try from this side or this side? This side is better. Okay. अरे बाप रे. It's not that simple. She makes it look simple. It's not that simple. ये बहुत मुश्किल है, लेकिन उन्होंने बहुत आसानी से किया है, क्योंकि उनको आता है. Okay, are we getting the breaks? Anyone who wants to try this? No, you need to actually go backwards. Put your body weight. हाँ, obviously there will be something. Dr. Dhruv, बस. Yeah.
हाथ पीछे से हाथ आगे।
एक मिनट. हाँ, that hand also. ठीक है. Try to and never get the hands like 1 and 2. They should be come equally. अगर बहुत पीछे से नहीं, यहाँ से भी कर सकते हैं. You can do it from here as well.
बीच में से भी कर सकते हैं, पीछे से भी।
चलिए 1, 2, 3.
Are you lifting?
This time I did. Last time it wasn't. A bit. I'm lifting you to sustain that. But पहले मेरी व्हीलचेयर सीधी थी. जब मैंने ईंटों पे पहिया रखा तो मेरी व्हीलचेयर टेढ़ी हो गई. अगर मैं टेढ़ी व्हीलचेयर चलाऊंगा तो वो पीछे पलटेगी. यानी कि अब मुझे अपना वजन